Hi, it's Nick from Digital Yacht at this year's NMEA 2025 convention, industry event in Florida, where we get together for a convention, training sessions, and also show some new products. And first up from Digital Yacht is a new product called Bilge IQ. It does what it says on the tin. Basically, it makes your bilge pump intelligent through interfacing with NMEA 2000, a wireless interface for consumer devices like iPads and tablets. And it's also designed to work with any particular bilge pump. So you don't have to buy a new bilge pump to make it intelligent. So let's take a quick look at how it works. This is the controller box. It's waterproof, IP68, built tough, and that can be mounted next to the pump. Very simple connections. It's a multi-core cable going in that you connect to your existing float switch, existing pump, and 12 volts or 24 volts DC. There's also an extra input for a second float switch should you want it. So you can have a second high water float switch alert. The secret sauce in the device is that it's actually got current monitoring for the pump. So unlike many other controllers, it's not just looking for when voltage is applied to a pump. It actually looks at the current that the device is taking. So you can see when the pump is running, whether it's running efficiently and so on, and set up industry standard NMEA 2000 alerts for pump under voltage, over voltage, pump running, float switch failure, all those typical classic things that you want to do. The interface on the, say, a Garmin multifunction display will be with pop-up alerts, but also with simple digital switching. So you can just control the pump through an on-off button through the MFD, and that's the same that exists on Navico and Raymarine type MFDs. And then we also offer a wireless interface. Simply connect to its password protected interface, and you've got a full control of the pump, which you can turn on and off as you want to. Also see any alerts that have happened. There's also a full histogram analysis, so you can see exactly when the pump runs, for how long, over a period of time, shows total pump cycles and so on. That interface is also replicated on Victron Servo GX systems. So there's now a new icon on those popular GX systems that allows you to control the pump and also use the Victron cloud monitoring solution to show when the pump's running, turn it on and off, and so on. And then finally, for the good of all boating, we're working with third-party bilge water filter manufacturers. This is a bilge water filter from Wave International that filters out the particles, plastic particles, hydrocarbons, paint, and so on from your bilge water. They're very effective, but the filters have a finite life. And once the filter has been used and used up, it no longer becomes effective, and effectively you're discharging the dirty water over the side. Bilge IQ allows you to see the flow that's gone through the filter, calculate the flow rates and the flow that's gone through there, and then adjust your maintenance and service schedules to change the filter at an appropriate time. So that's Bilge IQ, making your bilge intelligence. Bilge IQ will be available in November, shipping in November. Target retail price around about $250, $300.